I'm gonna make a little different video today from snow plowing. I'm gonna actually show you what we do after the storms instead of, you know, before or during them. All the work that basically goes into cleaning up and, you know, all the fun stuff after a storm happens. So it's a couple days after our last storm. The videos are out right now if you haven't seen them yet. It's basically the Super Bowl storm that never ended. It was a tough one, just a long duration event that got completely butchered on the forecast, so ended up being a very frustrating long storm. But I got the trailer right now on the truck. I'm going to pick up the skid steer. I have our snow bucket, pusher, and regular dirt bucket I want to try to grab all in one shot. So I don't know if we're going to be able to fit it all in one trip. Might have to take two of them, but we're going to go pick that up first, bring it back to the shop. And then from there, it's basically just going to be cleaning, washing everything, greasing everything, servicing everything. So that probably won't happen today, but it will happen probably tomorrow. But it'll all be in the same video here, so. All right, so first order of business. I'm gonna get this snow pusher onto the trailer. I think I'm gonna bring that back first and then come back, grab the machine and the snow bucket. I think that's gonna be the game plan. So let's get this pusher on the trailer. So we got our first load, the snow pusher and the dirt bucket. I was gonna try to fit everything all in one shot, but it's not gonna work. So I don't know what I was thinking. So I'll come back, grab the machine next, get these back to the shop. I've had these up here at our plow site pretty much all winter. We haven't really been using this stuff. Not that anybody's gonna steal it, but I'd rather have it back at the shop. So plus we got the cutting edge on the snow pusher. A lot of people have noticed in the videos, it's not scraping good. The cutting edge in the middle is the bolts loosened up, so the cutting edge kind of pushed up. It's a rubber cutting edge, pushed up in the middle, so it wasn't really scraping too good. So we got to fix that. Haven't really used the pusher. We actually used the snow bucket last storm. So let's get these back to the shop. We'll come back and we'll grab the machine. Well, I got the pusher on the trailer here. You can see the cutting edge. See how it dips up in the middle? So I'm assuming probably these three bolts here are loose and it just pushed up. That's why it hasn't been scraping too good in the videos. So we're gonna adjust that and then it should work perfectly fine. Those are unloaded. We're gonna go pick up the machine now. One good thing about having two machines, that Bobcat, if it wasn't here, I don't know how we would have got those off the trailer, but worked out good. So, gonna go get the machine now, bring that back, and then we'll probably call it a day from here, come back tomorrow, wash everything, and tomorrow's basically gonna be maintenance day. So. All right, we're all loaded up. Bring her back to the shop and drop her off. I got everything done I wanted to today. Got the machine back to the shop, the push box, the buckets, all that good stuff. I'm gonna take advantage. Tomorrow's gonna be in the 60s, so I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and washed and serviced tomorrow. Would have done it today, but it's still kind of chilly today. It's like upper 30s with a wind chill, so not the best day to be washing equipment. Could have done it, but I'd rather do it when it's gonna be 60 degrees tomorrow. So got the water in the back of the truck. I'm gonna fill a container tonight with some water. We obviously don't have water at the shop, so I filled the IBC tote with about 100 gallons, hooked that to the pressure washer, and that takes care of everything for us. So bringing that home tonight, we'll fill it up with some water, bring it back tomorrow morning, we'll get everything cleaned up and ready to go for the next storm, whenever that might be. So we'll see you guys in the morning. We got an angry flock of turkeys up here. Get out of the road. Oh, they're fighting. That was different. Bunch of turkeys fighting each other in the middle of the road. Yeah, we're back. It's a nice, beautiful day right now. It's 60 degrees out. We're gonna get all these trucks washed. As you can see, they're an absolute mess. And we get these salt spreaders cleaned up as well. So, got 3 trucks to wash. The new machine, I want to wash the trailer, and the Bobcat, so we got quite a bit of washing to do. I got our mobile wash set up here. So I got about 100 gallons of water, our pressure washer, and we're good to go. So let's get these going. truck done. This truck's all set. Now we gotta do this one here. This one's a mess. Alright, this one's done. I'm gonna start on the machines now. I'll get this Bobcat first, and then I'll get the skid steer in the back second. Alright, so we got everything washed. That took a while. It took about 2 hours to wash everything. But every single piece of equipment, every single thing that's touched salt or snow has been washed. So now we get to grease everything. Alright, so we're in pretty good shape here. Got everything washed, got everything greased, got everything ready to go basically for the next storm. So I'm not going to bore you with any more maintenance stuff. I got a couple more things I got to do on a couple of these trucks here. Windshield wiper fluid, I got to clean the windows, clean the insides. I'm not going to get any footage of that. So, but everything's all set. See, we washed everything nice and clean. The salt spreaders, I got to grease up the chains. I didn't do that yet. That's going to get done. Other than that, we're good to go. So far it's taken about 5 hours from getting the machine to washing everything, and I probably got another 2 hours worth of work. So just goes to show all the maintenance that gets put into after storms. But after I'm done today, we're pretty much all set to go if we get a storm at any point. So that's the good thing. If you keep your stuff maintained, you can basically go right out next storm. So that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.